Welcome back to Garage Shenanigans. Let me take this music out. I have bought a new toy. It is a bubble balancer. Right now I have my wheel on it. I was just going to show how to check the balance on these things. Gotta take this off. This is what it looks like, obviously without the wheel on there. It's basically just this little base and a pendulum type deal. Little pen on there, it doesn't want to focus. And then just has this giant level where the pin sits in there, and it just kind of balances. And then you set the wheel on top, and then you use the bubble level to try to figure out where the weights need to be. Hang on. Kind of difficult to do with just one hand. See right in that little pen. Okay, and you want it on a level surface. So a little bubble, I don't know if you can see it. It's got to be right in that little center area, which it is. And then you set the wheel on there. See how I can do this with one hand? Not very gracefully. Let's see. I'm actually going to try to hit this down for a second. Let me try to do this again. Okay. Alright, so that was kind of tricky because you want to get this little area into the center line of the, I don't know what that area is called, I guess, the center of the hub. That way it can read as best as it can. Doesn't look like it's 100% balanced. See if I can get it to focus. Probably not. It is within the circle, it's just not right in the center, but I don't think that's enough to really have an issue. I'm going to go ahead and check the rest. And if I can't find one that's obviously off balance, I'll just take off the weights and we'll try to balance this thing real quick. So let me get another wheel. And we'll be right back. Okay, I had to take some of the wheel weights off because apparently they're all pretty good balanced. To take them off, if you have adhesive weights, you can just take like a flathead, which I just have this tiny one right now, and just kind of gently pry it up and remove the adhesive weights. You just do that one by one until it comes off. There's also other kinds of weights. I think I might have one somewhere that I'll show you, but they attach to this lip right here. And if you don't have the proper tool, it can be kind of tricky getting them off, but if you don't mind scratching your wheel, I know it's a pretty bad thing, but you can kind of try to pry a screwdriver up onto this lip and then pull it off. Otherwise, you may need some special hammer slash plier things that they make specifically for wheel weights. So wheel weight hammer puller thing. So I'm going to go ahead and get all these off. I'm going to go see if I can actually find that wheel weight real quick. Okay, so after actually taking off all the weights, it seems to be balancing just fine, and I've tried tilting it one way or the other and not much effect to it, so pretty sure that statically it seems fine. I think it's good. Before we end the video though, I was talking about different forms of weights, so I was just going to go over that really quickly. You have adhesive weights, which kind of look like this. These are made of lead. You can find some of different materials as well. And then you have bang-on weights, which look kind of like this. This is what will go on that lip I was talking about. This wheel doesn't have any lip on the outside, so this is why adhesive weights are pretty good on this outer pane. I don't know entirely if you can flip this over and have it the other way around. I would like to know if anyone in the comments knows whether or not I can do that. That'd be interesting. I don't know really what that would do other than give me access to the other side while balancing. I don't think it's really necessary. This kind, see, has a little back end right there. This specifically was for a Steely, like on the Echo over there. But these would have to be placed usually on the inside of the wheel. I guess if I was balancing, well, to show you how the balancer works, let's say it was off balance and the bubble's way up there. That means this part's the heaviest. So what you want to do is kind of follow the bubble to the opposite end. You'll place the weight, and that should bring that side down some, and then that will cause the bubble to be in level, and that will be static balanced. I know there is another system, it's like a 4-point balance. I'm not entirely sure on how to do that. I remember going over with it with someone at my work. They were telling me about it. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. There will be more videos on the Versa. If I get more tools, I'm going to show you how to do that. 240, maybe there's going to be a video coming out. I haven't fully decided yet. The Echo is going good. The Corolla, Matthew's making massive progress on that. So again, like, comment, subscribe. This is just a short video. I guess I got a new tool, didn't even need it, so that's cool. See you guys in the next video.